OneCNC CAD CAM Made Easy. In this example, I'd like to demonstrate a trim tool that's provided within all OneCNC CAD CAM systems. This trim tool is very easy to use and very efficient. The name of the trim tool is called Scissors. Now, to get to the Scissors trim tool, head over to the Command Manager and select your trim options. From there, you're going to notice the Scissors command. Now, as a shortcut, you can simply hit the letter X on the keyboard at any time, and that will place you into the Scissors command. Now, when using the Scissors command, all you need to do is select the portion of the geometry that you'd like to get rid of. So here I'm going to take my cursor and simply left-click on the portions of the geometry that I'd like to get rid of. Very fast and very efficient. You can also use the Scissors command to delete geometry. Simply take your cursor and left-click. The OneCNC Scissors command is very easy and available within all OneCNC CAD CAM systems. OneCNC CAD CAM Made Easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.